So how can you make the background blurry on Android? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So more things you can do about it. First of all, when you're capturing photos or videos, explore the more options within your camera, right? It depends on your model and of course on the actual camera lens, but you can tap on more and either go to the professional mode for the photos. You can go to the pro video, or if you want to capture a nice portrait video, you can go like this, and the video will focus on one person and it will make the background blurry. So that's a nice way to give the video a little pop and make sure that it has this nice background. And for photos, you can also go to the portrait mode right away, and again the very same thing. It will try to focus on the subject and make sure that the background is blurry so it gives this nice professional effect. So that would be one thing. Of course, other than that, you can download some third-party apps which are designed to blur the photos, right? So there are apps which you can literally look up, which are called, for example, Point Blur. And you can now just import your photos from the gallery, confirm it, and then just start blurring the image, right? So you will have a couple of different options, whatever, and you can just start blurring it right away and make sure that it looks the way that you want, right? So using this type of application, you can manually add the blur later in post-production to already captured photos. So this is another way how you can do this. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for tutorials and explanations similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.